Day one begins with a tiny, fragile seed lying quietly on the soil. At first, it seems lifeless, just a small piece of potential. But nature never rests. With every drop of water, every ray of sunlight, the seed stirs. Among the many seeds of life, the rice grain holds a special story. Planted in flooded paddies, the tiny rice seed rests in water, slowly absorbing life from its surroundings. Days pass, and almost magically, life begins to emerge. A delicate sprout pushes through the soil and water, reaching for the light. Its green shoots unfold like a promise, an emblem of growth, patience, and renewal. This is the miracle of life, simple, yet breathtaking. From a single seed to a thriving rice plant, it reminds us that even the smallest beginnings can transform into something extraordinary when nurtured with care. Watch as this tiny seed becomes a living, thriving testament to nature's endless magic.